To make it actually do things like send emails, read your calendar, or publish code to GitHub, you install skills. A skill is essentially an app for your agent. You pick the ones you need and the agent uses them. Skills live in a marketplace called ClawHub, and I'll show you how to access it. In the OpenClaw dashboard, on the left side, click Skills. Here you can see your pre-installed skills. Under the All tab, you can see all the skills that are installed right now. Ready shows you the ones that are installed and ready to go, and Need Setup shows you the ones that are installed but still need some configuration from you. To add new skills to your OpenClaw, first you need to find a skill. Open a new tab and go to clawhub.ai. Here you can search for skills if you're looking for something specific, or you can scroll through and see the featured and trending skills. If you find a skill you like, you can click on it to see more details. Here you'll be able to see details like what you would run in the command line if you're running this on a local machine, or if you want to just prompt it to install via the chat, you can copy the prompt here and just simply paste that into your chat. You can also see the security scan. Now this is important. This virus total scan shows this skill as being benign, but other skills are potentially malicious. You see, because ClawHub is a community marketplace. Most skills are well built and just fine, but because it's a marketplace, anyone can submit skills. Before installing, check the author, the install count, the rating, and if something looks off, it's better to pass on it and be safe. Be selective up front so you don't have to clean up any messes later.